Welcome to Brake Shack. Just want to show you this product. So this is just a standard LED light for use with your camera or digital camera. So 48 LED lights on the front. It has a clear front panel and tinted yellow front panel. So you can't, because they've got magnetic clips on, you can't actually switch these round. So all that does is change the colour temperature. So it says there 5400K or 3200K, depending on which one you prefer. So I think this is more of a cool light and the yellow one's more of a warm light. So we've got on and off switch on the top. We have a brightness thing there. It's very bright when it's on full, and obviously it goes down to next to nothing, so you can adjust the brightness. There's three different ways of powering it. You can either use 4 AA batteries, or it takes a BP4L battery, which I believe used to power old mobile phones. You can usually pick them off eBay. They're also rechargeable, and it can also be powered via micro USB if you've got like a USB battery bank. So if you've got the BPL in there, it'll charge that as well as power it. Or you don't ever need it, you can just power it straight from the USB. But yeah, it's a really good light. You've got the hot shoe mount on there, so you can attach it to most cameras, you can attach it to most camcorders, and also the rigs that we do that hold this light and the camera and the microphone as well, also attaches to them. Yeah, I'll leave the link to purchase this in the product description. Thank you.